and welcome back to Scope, the science show for all things cutting edge. Have you ever thought about thinking? How about learnt about learning? That's what this next scientist is doing in a classroom just like yours.
In most schools, students learn from teachers.
But in this classroom, we're the ones learning from the students. Hi, I'm Robin Gillies, a learning researcher from the University of Queensland. And today we're at Cavendish Road State High School to have a look at the learning habits of these students.
With so many different learning techniques out there, deciding which one works best is often based on individual experience, with little scientific evidence to back it up.
That is, until now. We're involved in a national research project at looking at teaching and which strategies work best. So how are we doing it? With this, students wear this wireless wristband that tells us about their heart rate and skin conductance.
This sensor records very small electrical changes in your body, which occur when your heart beats. It's called an ECG, or electrocardiogram, and it is how most medical devices today monitor heart rates. The sensor is also able to detect electrical changes in the skin. This is known as electrodermal activity, or skin conductance, and is associated with sweating.
This gives us a measurable representation of how engaged students are with what's being taught. But that's not the only piece of tech we're using in this study.
The students will also be wearing these sociometric badges. These are used to detect how close students are to one another using Bluetooth and infrared sensors that can detect body heat. It can also measure body movement and posture with inbuilt accelerometers. These are sensors that detect movement. And it can also tell how engaged students are in group discussions with front and back facing microphones. We also videotape the groups of students and the teachers so we can visually see how the students are attending, listening and talking.
All these extra data makes assessing which teaching methods are most engaging even more accurate. So what have we learned from the research? Well, when students cooperate and work together, they're more motivated to learn. And when teachers are enthusiastic, so are the students. We're still in the preliminary stages of our research, but the more we can learn about the students, the more they can learn about the rest of the world.
So the classroom is a place for students and scientists to learn. Now let's switch from the school to the lab for some more up-and-coming science.